right, guys, so today we're going to get into feds. They just got into the digital currency, okay? We're going to talk about this new coin alert that we got. It's a new coin alert that's going to be able to jump into it early. And what is Elon Musk talking about? Now, listen. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, Crypto Empire TV, where we give you up-to-date information on new coins, when to get into coins, how and why do you need to get into these coins, because we have a new strategy since the feds just got in that I'm going to go over with you guys. But first, let's go over the new coin, okay? So, the digital securities in the energy funders, oil and gas fund will be tradable on T0's system and will reside atop the Ethereum blockchain. Okay, so T0 to digitize 25 million of equity in oil and gas fund on the Ethereum blockchain. So this has been hot where this is going to be a coin that's going to take off. Okay, so I'm going to get into this coin. I just dropped this today so everybody can understand that this digital securities, energy funders, if you can get into this, wherever you can get into it, it's going to be a great coin that you can get into, okay? And now let's talk about this new strategy, all right? So now, since the feds, and you see everybody now is getting into Bitcoin, we see it, and Bitcoin and Ethereum is the coins that you need to have. So anything that you're not devoted, that you believe in directly, okay, you need to stack up your Bitcoin and Ethereum, because this is the time when governments, businesses is getting involved. And this is the time when we're going to see it push bigger than it did before. So my number one coin I would say you got to have right now is Bitcoin and Ethereum, because they're putting everything on their platform. So when the feds come and they say, okay, what platform are we going to go on? They're going to have to go on platforms. And that's what's going to make blockchain and Ethereum is like guaranteed that they're going to put money in there. One to store wealth and one for their applications for their business, for smart contracts, for fine print paper. All of that is going to be on Ethereum blockchain. But the money is going to be for Bitcoin. So that's why I'm big on these two coins, and I'm liquidating some of my other coins that I'm in that I don't really believe in, and I'm just taking it to Ethereum and Bitcoin. And some of the coins that I do got, that's altcoins, the profits, I'm switching that over to Bitcoin and Ethereum, because these two coins are going to push, no doubt. Okay, you could try to believe in Cardano. Cardano is not live yet, so it's not running right now. Polygon Matic is running right now, so I still got my Matic because you can use it. But I'm going to get out of Matic once that 2.0 Ethereum is fully operational. It's probably going to be a good time to get out of Matic, but not right now. So Cardano is a good coin to have, but like you said, you holding money on when it drops. So I don't know when it's going to drop it. It's not running right now. So it's like it's all on public opinion. So let's go to Elon Musk. He tweeted this, how much is that Dodge in the window? And I guess that's $1. So I guess he's tweeting like Dodge is going to go to $1. You know what I mean? So you got to just pay attention to this little stuff he be doing, just so you can, maybe tonight you may want to drop a little bit in the Dodge and see what it do and then pull out tomorrow. You got to see, because he's getting a lot of press from the SEC, so he's trying to find a coin where he could talk about whatever he want to talk about and they don't got to find him. So now let's get into the top coins, guys. This is my favorite time. Well, all of it my favorite time, but I like to see what coins are performing. So we see Monero. Monero at 28%. Now, Monero is a privacy coin that I was told to get this coin, and I haven't seemed to get into it, but I think now is a good time to possibly get onto some Monero. I can see why it pumped right now. You got Nano went up 24%, Filecoin went up 22%. You got Wave, Solano, and I actually did grab some Solano at $33, and it went up to 45. So I did. That was a good pick for me right there. Tailcoin. I told you I've been seeing Tailcoin in here a lot. And it's probably a coin I'm gonna get into in the near future because I just keep seeing it in here, and it gotta be 0.03 cents. So you got Safe Moon. You got Cardano here, Ethereum Classic. So if we look at the 7-day, you got Matic. My pick, the top pick that I done made here. And then you got Harmony coming in. And if you look at this hour range, what we're looking at in the hour range, it is ONT, nothing major is moving the market, okay? So let's take a look at Bitcoin and all of the charts, okay? So first, let's take a look at Bitcoin. So it looks like Bitcoin just pushed to 41,000. I've seen it. It was just at 39. And I pushed some profits over to Ethereum and Bitcoin at 39. So it's moving pretty fast, especially with this CDC getting involved. We're probably going to see one of the biggest push, just like we seen. This was the greatest drop in history, okay? So we're probably going to see one of the biggest pushes in history, okay? So let's take a look at it. Let's see where we could go on a big push, okay? So I'm gonna go from 49 and we're gonna go to 30. And I'm gonna go to that 49 because that's exactly where. So let's see, can we get to 61,000? I think that's the price target. I think we can get to 61,000 pretty fast. With the feds and everybody else getting involved, I think it's going to be Bitcoin's time to shine now, okay? So that's my prediction for, especially by the beginning of next week, because everybody who has interest accounts, these interest accounts has to pay, and they pay on Mondays and the first of the month. So when they got to pay for Bitcoin, is going to go up because they got to put a lot of crypto into account holders. Okay, so let's take a look at Ethereum. So as we see Ethereum, Ethereum, I keep saying both of them the same. It's at 27.89 right now, all right? So definitely close by. I definitely think we could get to that 3,500 range in the near future, especially by, like I said, in the first of the month when they have to, all of these interest companies got to pay out. Like you said, in the link below, guys, I got Celsius BlockFi where you can have your interest account and they'll pay you every month. Some pay you every week on whatever you're trying to hodl. Okay? So, Ethereum looking good right now. Let's take a look at Cardano. Cardano. Now, guys, Cardano is not really live. So all of the stuff that they got, yeah, it's just a good marketing scheme. So it's, you got to be definitely careful with Cardano. Now, it's at $1.83 right now. And it's looking good. Has a lot of momentum. Cardano has a lot of momentum. Okay, so let's take a look at Matic. Now, like you said, with these little coins, guys, it's better to, when you get those profits, you need to be putting them to Ethereum or Bitcoin right now. Those are the two coins. Don't listen. It's not altcoin season anymore. Okay, now, I'm not your financial advisor. Okay, I'm not secured to get financial advisor. As a matter of fact, I dropped out of school to make money. So, you need your own, you got to make your own decision that you think is right. But for me, my personal opinion is Bitcoin and Ethereum, because big businesses is getting involved. They're not going to get involved into these little coins that we trying to make 100x off of. They're not going to put no money to that because it's not guaranteed. Okay, so this is Matic. $2.87. It's at 185 right now. Looking pretty good. Okay, I think it could get to $2, $3. But like you said, I'm trying to pull that right into Ethereum or Bitcoin, as we see Bitcoin and Ethereum, well, Bitcoin going on a little rise right now. So, guys, that's it for today. And guys, always remember to invest smart and always take profit. I tried to give you one as fast as I get it.